Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado raises the bar for full-size trucks with new technology, more powerful engines, and a rugged yet stylish design. It's built to handle tough jobs while offering luxury for everyday use. Design: modern and practical. Updated front, a redesigned grille, sleek LED headlights, and improved aerodynamics. Durable bed, best-in-class cargo space with smart tie-downs for convenience. Unique trims. Options like the rugged Trail Boss and upscale High Country have distinct looks. Powertrain. Options for every driver. Turbocharged 2.7 Li4. Efficient with 310 horsepower. 5.3 LV8. A reliable engine with 355 horsepower. 6.2 LV8. Powerful with 420 horsepower for heavy-duty tasks. Duramax 3.0 L diesel. Upgraded with 310 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque. Hybrid. A new 3.6 LV6 with electric support offers 400 horsepower and better efficiency. Interior. Comfortable and functional. High-tech features: a 13.4-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google services. Premium materials: leather, wood, and aluminum in higher trims. Smart storage, under-seat compartments, and a multifunctional center console. Technology and safety. Trailering tools includes hitch guidance, trailer profiles, and 360-degree cameras. Safety features: Chevy Safety Assist with collision alerts, emergency braking, and lane keeping. Hands-free driving. Super Cruise technology for highways. Off-road capabilities. For adventure lovers, the ZR2 Bison Edition includes Multimatic dampers for smooth off-road rides. 35-inch off-road tires. Skid plates and rock sliders for extra durability. Eco-friendly features. The new hybrid engine and responsibly sourced materials focus on sustainability. Pricing: work truck WT starts at $38,000. High Country luxury trim starts at $68,000. ZR2 Bison off-road ready at $75,000. Conclusion: the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado combines strength, innovation, and comfort, making it a top choice for work, off-road adventures, or daily driving. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.